Hi everyone, this is Patrick from North52, and today I'm going to show you how to call a North52 formula from a Dataverse Generative AI page. To do this, we will simply give extra prompt instructions to the Generative AI that tells it how to call a formula and process a response. This is my sample insurance app. As you can see, it has policies, plans, applications, etc. And here is our policy validation page. It has a drop-down that shows all the existing policies, and when we click one, we can see a brief summary of the policy, as well as a button to run a North52 validation. This formula will apply a series of checks to the various policy components, and then notify the user if the policy is valid for the customer or not. When we run the result, you can see it generates a response and displays a response message. In this case, we're missing some proof of identification. In others, we are missing documentation, and this one here is fully validated. The validation checks are being done in this North52 formula here. As you can see, it evaluates each of the checks, sets the result and the response message. And on this sheet, we return the result separated by a colon. So, let's show how we did this. We open up make.powerapps.com and open our model-driven app. Here, we select Add Page and Describe Page. So, this is my prompt. As you can see, this prompt is broken into two parts. The first part describes how to create the page, the UI and layout requirements, as well as information about the summary card and styling. The second part then is the technical specification, and this instructs the AI on how to call a North52 formula. It is all the technical specification details. We take our prompt and paste it into our generative AI page, and we wait while the AI generates the web page for us. A little bit of testing, and we can verify that the logic runs correctly, just changing different policies, etc., and getting our new error messages or our acceptance messages. And that is how easy it is to call a North52 formula from a generative AI Dataverse page. The prompt to use can be found on our support site, support.north52.com. If you have any questions or need any help, you can contact us on sales@north52.com.